Welcome to the top best. The Best Little Green Parts is probably one of the most essential cleaning companions for homes with pets, kids, or anyone who wants to keep their carpets and upholstery looking fresh. But what happens when a crucial component wears out? That's where replacement parts come in, ensuring your little green machine continues to deliver its stain-fighting prowess. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Bissell Little Green replacement parts. Number 5. Bissell Hose with Handle Flex. This is an OEM authorized part. It's designed to fit various Bissell models, ensuring a perfect match for your cleaning needs. This replacement part is specifically made for several Bissell models. It's a reliable solution to keep your cleaner functioning at its best. The part number is 2037152. This number guarantees that it's a genuine OEM part, ensuring quality and compatibility. This is a genuine Bissell replacement part. It's made to the original specifications, ensuring a seamless fit and optimal performance. The part number is 2037152. This part is designed to restore your cleaner to its original functionality. This is an OEM part, which means it's made by the original manufacturer. You can trust this part for its quality and durability. What we like. This hose is an OEM authorized part, ensuring a perfect fit and optimal performance for your Bissell cleaner. It's designed to work seamlessly with various models, so you can be confident in its compatibility. If you're looking for a reliable replacement that guarantees quality and durability, this is the one for you. What people say. The product looked like it was high quality and it fit my Bissell perfectly. This is a good replacement for the original hose and it comes from Bissell. Exact fit. Bissell does not carry this item, per Bissell. It is for a 1425E spot cleaner. Requires disassembly of cleaner to install. Used a dab of sealant on one area before reassembly. Vacuum works as if brand new. Number 4. Bissell 86T3 Machine Hose. This is an OEM authorized part. It's designed to fit various Bissell models, ensuring a perfect fit and optimal performance. This replacement part guarantees the quality and reliability you expect. This part is a genuine OEM component, ensuring compatibility and durability. It's made to the original manufacturer's specifications. You can trust this part for its quality. This hose is designed to work with multiple Bissell models. It's a versatile solution for your cleaning needs. Make sure it's the right fit for your machine. The part number is 2037443. This number is your key to finding the right replacement. Be sure to verify this number for compatibility. This is a Bissell replacement part. It is a direct replacement for your machine. This part will restore your machine's cleaning power. What we like. This is another OEM authorized hose, promising the same quality and compatibility you expect. It's designed to fit various Bissell models, ensuring a hassle-free replacement experience. If you need a durable and reliable hose for your Bissell cleaner, this is a great choice. What people say. Works fine, stairs got cleaned and the rest of the carpets too. This replacement is perfect, same length, same fit, no leaks, and cleans wonderfully. It sprays your carpet on demand, brushes it clean, and then vacuums out the freed up dirt and most of the moisture just like the Big Green, only it's much more maneuverable. Number 3. Bissell Flexible Replacement Hose for Little Green and SpotClean. This is the replacement hose for your Bissell Little Green and SpotClean carpet cleaner. It's designed to keep your vacuum running smoothly and efficiently. This hose is compatible with a wide range of Bissell Little Green and SpotClean models. Check the list to ensure it fits your specific cleaner. Made from high-quality materials, this hose ensures optimal performance and durability. It's built to last and keep your vacuum safe. This replacement hose is ideal for cleaning carpets, corners, floors, and furniture. It fits perfectly, making it easy to maintain a clean home or office. The hose is designed for flexible movement and optimum user comfort. It's easy to install and remove, providing a hassle-free cleaning experience. What we like. This upgraded hose offers premium quality, ensuring your vacuum's safety and optimal performance. It's designed for a perfect fit, making it ideal for cleaning carpets, corners, and furniture. If you like effortless cleaning with flexible movement, this hose is the perfect choice for you. What people say. This new hose does seem more flexible and hopefully will last longer than the previous two. I love that the handle swivels on this replacement, making it a lot easier to handle since the stock one was fixed in place and you would have to wrangle the hose into place. It was pretty easy to swap hoses. There's a YouTube how-to video, took about 10 minutes, and it works like new again. Number 2. Bissell Little Green Replacement Dirty Tank. Is your Bissell Little Green tank showing signs of wear and tear? This replacement tank is exactly what you need. It ensures your carpet cleaner continues to work at its best. This replacement tank is designed to fit a wide range of Bissell Little Green models. It's a perfect match for your machine, ensuring optimal performance. You can easily find the right fit for your cleaner. The collection tank is a vital part of your carpet cleaner. It holds the dirty water extracted during cleaning. Replacing it ensures your machine functions efficiently. This replacement tank is built tough to withstand the rigors of carpet cleaning. It's resistant to chemical cleaning solutions and hot water. It is durable and reliable. The Selgo replacement tank, model number 2037144, is white and made of plastic. It measures 2 by 2 by 2.7 inches. It's designed to perfectly match your Bissell carpet cleaner. What we like? This replacement tank is designed to hold the dirty water extracted from your cleaning surfaces. It's built tough, with high resistance against damage from cleaning solutions. If you have a worn-out tank and need an easy-to-replace, durable option, this is the perfect solution. What people say. I am very happy that Bissell provides replacement parts for their Little Green portable carpet cleaner. The new tank provides a fresh look to your existing machine. Works great and just what I needed. Number 1. Replacement part for Bissell Little Green vacuum cleaner. This is a replacement part designed for your Bissell Little Green vacuum cleaner. It's a direct replacement for part number 3149162, ensuring a perfect fit and optimal performance for your machine. Make sure this part is compatible with your vacuum model. It fits models including 89104, 8910, 89101, 89102, 89103, 89106, 8910J, 8910W, 17201, 1720, and 17202. Please check your model number before ordering. Do not order this part based on its appearance or images alone. Always verify your vacuum's model number to ensure compatibility. This will help you avoid any inconvenience. This replacement part is made from high-quality materials. It is designed to keep your vacuum cleaner safe and functioning correctly, ensuring it lasts longer. With this replacement part, you can keep your vacuum cleaner in top condition. It will help you maintain the cleaning power you expect, so you can continue to clean your home effectively. What we like? This replacement part is made from quality material, ensuring your vacuum remains safe and in working condition. It's designed to fit multiple models, providing a reliable solution for your cleaning needs. If you are looking for a part that guarantees your vacuum's performance, consider this one. What people say. The fit was perfect. Great replacement for my broken cleaner nozzle. It works awesome and does exactly what it's supposed to. Great replacement part, fits perfectly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.